Hello everyone, and today I'll explain you how to enable or disable pocket mode on your Realme C67. So first of all, this feature is very useful if you carry your phone in a pocket or bag and it prevents accidental touches and actions. However, sometimes pocket mode can be overly sensitive and cause some issues. So let's figure out how can we adjust it. Open up your settings. Now in your settings we have to scroll down until we'll find our smart control menu. Let's do this. Here it is. Open this option. So here we'll have two different options: screen off gestures, however we don't need it right now, and touch disable. And this is exactly what we are looking for. Alright, so to turn off our pocket mode, we simply have to turn off our touch disable option. So simply tap on the switch near it and it's off. After that, if you want to re-enable your pocket mode, you just have to follow the same steps and simply tap on the switch again to enable your touch disable mode, just like that. Remember, pocket mode is useful for those who often carry their phone in a pocket or bag. It helps to prevent accidental touches and protects your data. But if it gets in the way, now you know how to disable it. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.